Here I have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So to do this, you have the pre-installed application called Security. Here you can, for example, select acceleration and accelerate your device by just tapping on one key. You can also clean space from some junk files, which you don't need anymore, and speed up your device like this too. Okay, so you can So that's all the actions you can do to speed up your device. You can also perform deep clean, but it could take some time, so maybe I won't do it because it will be deep, you know. But you can also do this if you have a lot of junk files, but usually this one is enough. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.